Ever wondered if you could hop into a machine, press a button, and journey back to witness the construction of the pyramids, or leap forward to see the future of humanity? Welcome to the fascinating world of time travel, a concept that has intrigued scientists, philosophers, and movie makers alike. Imagine walking down a long and winding road. This road represents the timeline of the universe. You're walking forward, each step taking you into the future, each glance back offering a glimpse of the past. Now, what if you could turn around and start walking the other way? Or perhaps even skip sections of the road altogether? That, my friends, is the concept of time travel in a nutshell. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Time travel isn't as simple as turning around on a pathway. It's governed by the rules of physics, and more specifically, the theory of relativity, proposed by none other than Albert Einstein. According to this theory, time isn't a constant flowing river. It's more like a stretchy fabric that can be bent and twisted by gravity and speed. Think of it like this: you're on a speeding train. To you, inside the train, time seems normal. But to someone standing on the platform, your time, the time on the train, appears to be moving slower. This is known as time dilation, and it's been proven through numerous experiments. It shows that time travel, at least into the future, is within the realm of scientific possibility. However, traveling back in time is a whole different ballgame. It requires something called a wormhole, a shortcut through the fabric of space-time. Imagine folding our road of time so that 2 points touch, creating a shortcut. That's a wormhole. But creating and stabilizing a wormhole is purely theoretical and far beyond our current technological capabilities. In this video, we've unraveled the mysteries of time travel. We began with a simple analogy of time as a road, then delved into the theory of relativity and the concept of time dilation, which could potentially allow for time travel into the future. We also touched on the idea of wormholes as a means of traveling back in time, but acknowledged the challenges and uncertainties surrounding this concept. Time travel, once the domain of science fiction, has found its place in scientific discourse, thanks to our ever-evolving understanding of the universe. While we may not be packing our bags for a trip to the Jurassic period or the distant future anytime soon, the exploration of these concepts continues to expand the boundaries of our knowledge and spark our limitless curiosity. So, the next time you're walking down the road, remember, each step is a journey through time, a journey that scientists are striving to understand better every day.